Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this poof in 3D Max. First, I will draw a cylinder. I will make the radius 20, the height 15, the height segment 3, and the cap segment 3. And then I will go to Modify List and add Edit Poly. First, I will select this edge by double-click, and I need to make a chamfer. That will help me to make the piping over here. I will make the distance 0.5. While it is still selected, I will extrude and I will make the amount minus 0.5 and then the distance or the width 0.05. You can see that I have a small groove over here. I will show you the result by adding Turbo Smooth. And I will increase the iteration. So this is the pipe I want. Now I need to curve the top part and straighten the lower one. So I will close Turbo Smooth, and here I need to select this edge over here by double click and lower it downward. Or I can use Alt and number 1 in the keyboard to add one loop over here. If I turned on Turbo Smooth, it will look more straight. Now for the top part, I need to bring this one upward. So I will use by angle. Select by angle. I will select these polygons and I will move them upward, and you need to check the offset amount over here. Maybe half centi will be enough. Okay, and then shrink and disable by angle and move it as well half centi, and then shrink and I will move it a little bit upward. Now I will turn on Turbo Smooth. Now you can see the result. Now I have here these legs, so I need to go to the top view and I will draw here a box. I will make this box 30 by 30 by 30. Sometimes you need to check the dimension of the image from the internet. That's why I know that this distance is 30 and the height is 30. I will align it to the seat. I just need the X and Y to be center to center. Now I need to remove the seat upward like this. Now I will hide this one and I will use this one for the legs. I will add Edit Poly and I will select the top polygon and scale it almost 70%. Now I need to select these edges over here, this and the one at the back and the front one, to make the 4 legs. And then I need to go to Edit Edges and create shape. Now I will select the new shapes and I will go to the Modify List and enable in Renderer, enable in Viewport, and I want to make the radius 3. Now I need to go to the front view and I want to delete this box now. Here in this image I need to make this one thicker, and from here I have rounded bottom. So I will select the legs, I will hide this one, and I select the legs and add Edit Poly. Now I will select the vertex, go to Edit Geometry and make a planar in Z. Now they became flat. Also these, I want to make them planar in Z. Now they became straight. Now for the top polygons, I will select the one at the top and use Alt to remove the bottom one. Now I need to scale them. I want them to be 120, like this. Now I will go again to the front view and I want to curve the bottom. So I will select first these edges, use Alt to remove the top one. And now I need go to edit edges and use chamfer. Here I will use the amount 1 cm, and I can give it like 2 to 3 segments until I feel I have a nice curve. Now unhide all, and this is the final look.